Hello, mathematicians. Today we are starting lesson 29. It's session 1. It's our first day. And this week we're adding two-digit numbers to two-digit numbers. So last week we did two-digit numbers plus one-digit numbers. This week we're doing 2 and 2. And we're on page 663, and you'll see some pennies down below. There's a word problem. I've highlighted the most important pieces of that word problem. Juliana has 15 pennies. Nico has 23 pennies. How many pennies in all? So think back to last week when you did all of those cool strategies. They still work this week. They just look a little bit different. So 15 and 23, one of the first things we can do is we can make our base 10. For 5, that's 15. And I drew the ones first, but we'll do 23. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at the ones place and see, can I make 10? Can I do that invisible cloak? Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 ones. And then I have 1, 2, 3 10s, which I know is 30. So the answer is 38 in all. You can also do it the other way that we did, which is super fun. You can do 15, 23. Well, actually, you know what? That doesn't work because we're not able to make 10. I mean, you could do it, but it's not make 10. But what you can do is you could do the box around the 10s and underline the ones. So the boxes are 1 plus 2, which is 3 10s, which is really 30. 5 plus 3 is 8. 30 plus 8 is 38. You could also use the number line. You could also use tens frames. It just might take you a little bit longer. But hopefully you also got 38, no matter what strategy you used. Okay. So the next page says 22 children play on the hill and 38 children play in the field. How many children are playing? Now they give you a hundreds chart. So I'm just going to draw what they did. So they have 22 and then it goes 32, 42, oops. Said 42 and drew 45, 42, 52, 62. Remember, when you're moving down in the tens frame, you're adding 10 every time. So the only thing that's changing is that tens place. The 1 is staying the same. So they're going to go down 3 because you're adding 30. So 10, 20, 30. So you're going to be on 52. Then we need to add in 8. So we're going to jump over 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Oh, I wrote them too big. I'll shrink them down a little bit. 53, 54, 55, 56. But then there's a line in between each of these. 8, 59, and 60. Oh my gosh, that's scrunched. So I went down 3, 10, 20, 30 for this 30. Then I'm going to hop over 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I land on 60. So now I know 22 plus 38 is 60. So this is a shortcut because you don't have to do all the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way to 30. You can do them in groups of 10. This is 10, this is 20, this is 30. We moved down 10, 20, 30 because we're adding 30 on. Then we moved over 8 ones. So we're going to write plus 8 plus 30. So it's breaking apart 38 into tens and ones to make it easier for you. So now we know there are 60 children playing. If you turn the page, think about what you know about tens, fill in each box. So last week was ones because we were adding one-digit numbers. This week we're adding two-digit numbers, which are tens. So think about what you know about the tens, fill in each box, use words, numbers, and pictures, show as many ideas as you can. Well, let's get it done. So you have tens here and then 4 options here. So we can say in the number 45, it has 4 tens, this number. Then we also know tens frame, remember we draw lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines down. This is 10 in my tens frame. I can also write it 10, I can write it 10, and I can write it 10. Remember, this is base 10. So really what this is a stick, all these little lines. But I just did it as a shortcut with just that stick. And then I also know 10 ones equals a 10. So inside of this 10, there's 10 ones. Okay. Number 2, Celia and Jamal. Pause this and write this all down if you need to, because this is important that you understand what a 10 is, because we're going to be breaking those numbers and adding them up together. So down below number 2, it talks about Celia. I think it's number 2. Yeah, Celia and Jamal made drawings to show 32. Which drawing is right? This is Celia. And this is Jamal. Which drawing is right? Explain. So Celia did 10, 20, and then 10 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 more ones. And then Jamal did 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So this is really 1, 2, 3 tens and 2 ones. And this is 3 tens and 2 ones. So they are both right. Remember, IGH says I. They are both right. They are both correct. Here, Celia has 10 ones in place of a stick of 10. She still has 32. They're just different. Number 3, solve the problem. Use 2 colors to count on by tens and ones from the starting number. So I don't have 2 colors, but what the book wants you to do is to, as you go down in the tens, use maybe purple. And then when you go across in the ones, use maybe yellow. So that way you can see tens and ones, and it's good for you to visually see the difference. So you have 26 children swimming in the pool, 44 swim in the lake. How many children are swimming? So I'm going to use this number because that's what they're doing. They're going down. So 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96. Remember, when you're going down by tens, I'll say it again, it's going up by 10 every time, but the ones place is staying the same. So I'm going up, I'm going to go down 4 tens. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So you should be on 66. This is plus 10, plus 10. Plus 10, plus 10. 10 4 times is 40. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40. So you should be on 66. So you're going to color in these in this column like the White House. These right here. These would be your purples. Now we're going to go over 4 and we're going to do the ones, and those would be yellow. So after 66, is 67, 68, 69, 70. So I'm going to jump across 4 for the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. These would be yellow, and you're going across 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went down 4 for our tens, across 4 for our ones, and we landed on 70. So now 26 plus 44 is 70. There are 70 children swimming. The next 2 pages are practice pages, which is super fun. So, oh wait, we just did the practice pages. Sorry, you're done for today. I was thinking we're just going. Miss Lamb's on a roll. All right, you're done. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for more math. Bye, guys.